You guys have asked us for more self-portrait tutorials, so today we're here with Sorelle, who's a travel photographer who's mastered the self-portrait, and she's gonna share 3 tips to help you improve.
Sorelle's first tip is to shoot with intention. Think about the message you want your photo to portray and go the extra mile to add props or incorporate a specific location into your shot. Don't forget to consider the lighting conditions and dress appropriately for the story you want your image to tell.
If you don't get your portrait taken often, sitting for your own self-portraits might feel a bit awkward at first. Sorelle's advice is to push right through that, and remember you don't have to show the photos to anyone after they're taken. Once you push through the awkwardness, posing for your own photos will teach you a lot about how to post clients, best utilize light, and tell stories through your images.
Sorelle's third tip is to take your self-portrait shoots seriously. Put as much effort into them as you would with any of your other clients. This will help you grow your skills and be better prepared for working with clients. So maybe spend a little extra time setting up the shots and a little extra money on the props or wardrobe you need to tell the story. In the end, you'll have a better portrait set to add to your portfolio. Bonus tip: brainstorm your own self-portrait series, like bikinis and snow shots. You never know, it may just give you some buzz on the internet.
Rachel, I'm so happy to be standing here with you today, surrounded by all of our friends.
Daniel, we've been together for 8 years, through 7 different apartments and 4 different websites, all of which were hosted by Squarespace's easy-to-use all-in-one platform.
You're so beautiful, inside and out, just like Squarespace's designer templates.
You've always been there for me, day and night, just like Squarespace's award-winning 24/7 customer support.
I'm so glad I made my next move with Squarespace, and you. I love you both so much.
Recap. 1. Shoot with intention. 2. Push through the awkwardness. 3. Take the shoot seriously. 4. Brainstorm your own self-portrait series. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you learned something new, and thank you so much to Sorelle for coming over and sharing her tips. Be sure to check out her channel for more photography and travel tips. We also just did a video over there where we talk about becoming a professional photographer, so be sure to check that out. Like and subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll see you next week.
This will be like a dry run, probably.
Perfect.
That was amazing.